I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars dropshipping products on TikTok that you've probably seen already on your Instagram or your For You page on TikTok. Like this backcracker product right here made me over $100,000 in just 90 days alone. And it literally just did this by laying on the backcracker product and posting videos on TikTok. And you can do this too. You see, this business model is so easy. That's why I wanted to make this video today to show you that if you're 15 years old, if you're 16 years old, or if you have no money and you're 18, 19, 20, doesn't matter how old you are or what you have, you can use this model to be making thousands of dollars a month for yourself in profit. Now, there's no excuse not to get into dropshipping anymore because there is literally no barrier to entry with this. All you have to do is make good videos and people will buy your product. All you need to do is find a winning product, find something that's going viral, create videos around that actual product, make a website so people who watch your videos can come and buy your product, actually sell them the product, and then rinse and repeat. And you're lucky because in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can find a product that is already selling, make videos that are gonna get people to buy, make a website that's actually gonna sell your product, and how to rinse and repeat this with multiple different brands so you don't just do it once, but you have a skill to do it forever. Now, I've done this with multiple different products. I've done this with the backboard product. I've done this with the Chakra water bottles, so like the gemstone water bottle. So I've had some experience and blew up multiple different pages, and I wanna show you guys exactly how you can do that as well. All right, so step number one is you have to find a product. So we're gonna start with product research and how to find products that are already selling using this specific method called the copy method. Essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna go and open up the TikTok app and you're gonna search up hashtag Amazon finds, hashtag TikTok made me buy it, and just different kind of hashtags that are gonna find videos around products that people are selling on TikTok. And you're just gonna interact with these videos, you're gonna like, you're gonna comment, you're gonna save the link, go to their website, and do this for a couple of days. And then sooner or later, in the next couple of days, you will start seeing on your TikTok feed more of these kind of videos showing up on your For You page. Once you see a video with a lot of views, go to that person's profile and see if they have any other videos posting that product or if anybody else is posting that specific product. If there's a good amount of people making videos about it and people are actually interested, commenting, I need this, I want this, then it's a really good product. It has that viral potential and it has the potential to be able to explode and make you thousands of dollars a day if you're getting millions of views on videos and people are actually looking for this product to buy. I did this with Kairoset, the store that I blew up to over 80,000 followers and made $100,000 with in the last couple of months. And it just blew up because I was copying another creator who had already had millions of views on his account. Now, the copy method will only work if you use products and videos that are already working for other people and just make them a little bit better so it looks different, but it has the same bones. All right, now we're gonna get into making your website and actually creating a storefront so people can come and buy your products. We're gonna use Shopify. We're gonna open a free trial with Shopify, which gives us Shopify for $1 for the first 3 months. And Shopify just makes it so much easier for you to build your store. And I'm not gonna explain exactly how to build your store in this video because I have an actual free program going over this step by step for multiple hours. So if you want that program and you wanna see how you can build your store, just click the link below this video or up here, wherever it is. But essentially, once you actually have your Shopify store, you just need to download a free theme on Shopify. Most people think that you need to be using a $1,000 theme or a couple $100 theme, but you don't need a paid theme at all. You just need to use one of the free themes that Shopify has and they allow you to use. I personally like using Zendrop and Dropship Agent. Those are two companies that I've used in the past, but just make sure that the shipping time of your product is actually fast. It's not just something that's going to take 2 or 3 months to get there. But I'll be comparing a bad website towards a good website so you can see how a good website looks and how you should be structuring things. All right, so first off, this website is called luminouslady.co. It looks like it's a really scammy website. It doesn't look like it's an actual legitimate person selling this product. It doesn't look like a brand really. The kind of images are just basic images from the website the supplier has. It's not really explaining what is going on with images and videos, which is what you should be doing. But if you look at this website called Sulima, if you look at their images, they have actual text on the images and it's not just white background pictures, it's people actually using their product and showing what it's gonna look like when people buy it. They have their 30-day money back guarantee and they have visual videos showing people putting on their products and how to use them. And that's exactly what you want on your site. You can find these kind of videos again on TikTok by just searching your product or just ordering the product from Amazon and doing it yourself. And you can use your iPhone to actually take really high quality images. You can use the app called Photo Room to actually remove the background of the images if you want, professional white background photos. But don't complicate this part because this part's actually the easy one. Next, we're actually gonna start making some videos to run advertising and get people to our website. All right, now it's time to start running some ads and get people to actually buy our products. So how do we do this? You want to be making your videos based off of videos that have already worked. So go search up your product in TikTok and see people who have 100,000, 50,000, 1 million followers who have the same product as you, who are posting videos about the same product as you, how you can make your videos be inspired and look like theirs. Because if they're already making views with their videos, then you're going to also make views with your videos if you post those same kind of videos. And I'll show you on a screenshot here of when I started this brand new account and took it to 80,000 followers, how fast it actually took me to get 80,000 followers. So when I started this page, it only had 600 followers, and I posted maybe 15 videos in the first couple of days. And then immediately when I get my first video that's getting 10, 20, 30,000 views, that's when I'm starting to get past 1,000 followers, and I can put a link in my TikTok bio. And then from there, the next month, I got to 15K followers, and then from there, 80K. But to do this, you need to be posting consistently. You need to post at least 2 times a day. And most people don't understand this. They think, oh, if I post for 14 days and I don't get any views or sales, then it's not gonna work. But that's not the case at all. You need to understand that with anything good, it's about the input that you're putting if you want the output. If you want 100,000 followers, if you want to be making $100,000 a month, you need to focus on the input of the things that you can do, aka make TikTok videos, make your website to be able to get those results. So that's exactly how you can make $100,000 a month without spending any money on ads for your own dropshipping store. But the question is, what are you going to do next? Relaunch this video, find a product, and actually make videos for it and sell your product on the Shopify store. Make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month with Shopify dropshipping simply with the steps that I just told you, and come and actually give me your results. Tell me how you did, and I'll see if I can actually pick one of your stores and do a review on it in the next video.